One of the little drills that I love to practice is I call making a line. So like where you guys are standing, it starts off the same, except I've already made myself an imaginary line. And so how does that work? 1, 2, cross once, cross twice. Cross once, cross twice. Pivot, once, pivot, cross once, twice, pivot. So that's all you're doing is pivoting off that heel, pivot, cross, cross, cross once, cross twice, pivot, once. Now single, cross once, twice, back, pivot, pivot. So when it comes to crossovers, when you learn this drill, crossovers are a thing of the past.
Yeah.
Crossovers are no longer like, I'm afraid to do a crossover. So you're missing the pivot. So watch, when I get to here, cross, stop, left, turn, cross, stop. Now make it all one move. 1, cross, up, turn, cross, up, turn, cross, up, turn, cross, cross, cross. There you go. Cross, cross. There you go. And let that body come on around. Feel that off the heel, off that swivel. You have it. Cross, cross. Okay? There you go. So you get yourself a good beat. You can just play with this one all day.
Oh man, I'm
Turn, good. Up, turn, cross. All one move, cross, bob, turn, cross, bob, bob. So I want to see you in that bowl, do a little cross and then jump back in. And whew,
yeah, get out, give it a little.
See, that's your expertise. See, we leave that to you. I want to see, you know, it'd be cool. I can see you sit up on the top because you're daring. You're at the top of that bowl and you're going to do something like this. You're going to go left, right, left, bop, bop. You're going to go drop into the bowl.
Oh yeah, back.